Alright, this is going to be a tour of the elevators here at Westland Court Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. No chimes. So this is the elevator here at Westland Court Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. I believe this is the east elevator, and it got modernized by General Elevators in the 2000s, and this used to be a Dover elevator with vintage fixtures installed in 1973. Do trabajo?
Sí. Thank you.
These are older Dewhurst fixtures, fire emergency operation, floor indicator, certificate, capacity 2,000 pounds. The floor pressing chime sounds weird. And here's your cab view. We're gonna send this up to floor and get a machine room view. No chimes. Let's take a listen. Lock. Let's move on. Locked. No chimes. So this is the elevator. This is the west elevator here at Westland Court Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. It got modernized by General Elevators in the 2000s, and this used to be a Dover elevator with vintage fixtures installed in 1973. Thankfully, it's an old mod. These are older Dewhurst fixtures, fire emergency operation, floor indicator, capacity 2,000 pounds. Here's your certificate. And here's your cab view. We're gonna send this up to floor, get a machine review, no chimes. The motor sounds like the elevator at Westland In Condominiums 2 in Hialeah, Florida, the West elevator, before they sadly got modernized by General Elevators in 2025. Now let's move on to the last elevator. Locked. No chimes. So this is the elevator here at Westland Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. The West elevator, I believe. It got modernized by General Elevators in the 2000s, and this used to be a Dewhurst elevator with vintage fixtures installed in 1973. Thankfully, it's an old mod. The chimes used to work. I don't know what happened. It's really sad. Did we get stuck? Uh-oh. What the hell happened? Oh, there we go. That scared the hell out of me. These are older Dewhurst fixtures, fire emergency operation, floor indicator, capacity 2,000 pounds, certificate. And here's your cab view. No floor pressing chimes. I mean passing. We're gonna go ahead and get a machine room view. No chimes. It's really crazy how we almost got stuck. I believe this is a dry power motor. Nice. And that's it.